Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with OneDrive for LinkedIn content storage. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type onedrive.live.com and press enter. Once the OneDrive homepage loads, click on the Sign Up for Free button. You will be redirected to a page prompting you to use your Microsoft account. If you already have a Microsoft account, enter your email address and click Next. If you don't have an account, look for the option to create one. Follow the prompts to set up your new Microsoft account by providing your details. Once your account is set up, return to the OneDrive homepage. Log in with your newly created or existing Microsoft account credentials. After logging in, you will see your OneDrive dashboard. To connect OneDrive with LinkedIn, open a new tab and go to LinkedIn. Log in to your LinkedIn account if you aren't already signed in. Navigate to your profile by clicking on your photo or the Me icon. Look for the Add Profile section button and click on it. Select Featured from the drop-down menu. In the Featured section, click on the plus icon. Choose Links from the options presented. Go back to your OneDrive tab to find the document or file you want to share. Copy the sharing link for that file. Return to the LinkedIn tab and paste the OneDrive link into the link field. Add any relevant description or context about the file. Click Add to include the link in your featured section. Finish by checking your LinkedIn profile to ensure the OneDrive file displays correctly. You have successfully registered and linked OneDrive for your LinkedIn content storage. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.